Yo, what's good guys? Welcome to the promo day vlog. So if you guys seen the previous vlog, we just finished the last two of them. So right now we're in Malibu Beach, about to head down to all the rest of the beach down PCH. So that's gonna include Santa Monica, Venice Beach, Redondo Beach, Long Beach at the end. We might switch it up during the process, so don't quote me on that. What we're gonna be doing is driving down all to these beaches. I got my packs of stickers. We're gonna be giving them out to people and also recording their reaction just so you guys can get a taste of what it is to own a car like this. So yeah, thank you for tapping in. Remember to subscribe.
Dog, you a fool, man.
Alright guys, so we made it to Venice Beach. We just posted up right here next to the boardwalk, and we're gonna see how long we can be here until we get kicked out, I guess. I'm gonna be handing out some stickers, recording people's interactions, so enjoy.
Miata?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, dude, off-road.
Oh my god, bro, no way.
Yeah, bro, I built it. Here's a sticker, bro.
Thanks, dude. That's clean. I'll put it on my board.
Hell yeah, it's it. That on YouTube, my friend.
Yeah, man. Oh, is your shit, bro? That shit's crazy, man.
My car at Pismo Beach, taking my hip.
Pismo Beach?
Yeah.
You take it out there?
Yeah.
Damn. How does the drive look?
Amazing, man.
How's like the turn radius?
Perfect, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What the
Yeah, I have videos of me drifting in it in the sand.
Yeah?
Yeah, check it out on YouTube.
3-inch lift kit, that thing is sick. I think I have seen this on Instagram photos.
Yeah, I've been posting it a lot.
It's just small cars. I want one with the lights, that's why I want one, the lights.
I sell them too, bro, if you ever need one.
You sell Miatas?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a whole bunch of them. You guys ever need some?
Oh yeah, I do. I mean, I missed my 240.
I got a 240 too.
Really?
How much did that go for?
Well, that's SR20 though.
Oh, okay.
So it's at least gonna be AK once it's done.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I got a 92 Celica GTS. So I'm about to do an EXO car build on.
Damn.
Yeah, straight death car status.
That's what I like, just sending it, man.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
What is it? Sticker?
I love that.
This is this car at Pismo Beach. Thank you. Yeah, follow me guys, YouTube, Gram.
Can I take a picture of my dad?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, okay, I get it. Here, gotta take a picture of you at the car.
V8?
No.
The stock right now?
1.8, yeah.
Roadster?
Yeah, but look me up on YouTube, you'll see me using it.
Oh shit, drifting and all that,
Yeah,
huh?
drifting, mud, all that good
This
stuff.
shit's tight, dude.
Appreciate it.
Tight.
A good one, man.
Pero ustedes levantan así.
Sí, nosotros lo armamos y todo, lo mandé a pintar.
¿Oh, sí?
Pusimos la barra. Tengo videos de yo haciendo todo el proceso.
¿Oh, sí?
Y vendo caro, cuando les gusta algo diferente o regular.
¿Oh, sí?
Me avisan, sí, aquí lo voy a dar en tarjeta. Check me out on YouTube if you want to see me ripping this thing.
Oh hell yeah.
Yeah,
The picture was taken at Pismo Beach.
yeah, he took it.
Right on. Hell yeah. I know you're having fun.
Yeah, man, it's super fun. This is the 1.8.
Is that 1.8?
Yeah, I used to have a 96.
Oh, so you had the 1.6 and the 1.8. Nice, man. Yeah, this
Is that
is.
your car?
Yeah. Now here's the sticker.
Nice. Mine, the black handle.
Took us to Pismo Beach.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I take my big truck out there, dog. Yeah, sand dunes.
Yeah, that's Pismo
Oh,
Beach.
this thing goes on there?
Yeah.
That's cool because I just fucking love going out there.
Yeah, dude.
My truck, I got an Expedition. Like it's all lifted up and I just fucking go out there and just fucking
It's fucking amazing, man.
Yeah.
I drove this thing all the way over there.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I built this thing.
That's what's up.
Yeah, dude.
Do you like taking off road or?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, mud, sand.
That's what's up.
Yeah, there's nothing too crazy because it's four-wheel drive.
Oh, true. Yeah.
But, bro, even just with the rear.
I think they may have seen this one. Is it older?
All right, y'all, so we just finished up at Venice Beach. It went really well. Everybody was giving like great energy, got a lot of stickers out, a lot of marketing too. And yeah, the spot was pretty cool. You know, we just set up out of nowhere, found it randomly. And you know, I'm down to 20 stickers. I didn't know it was gonna run out that quick. So right now we're gonna see where we could give them out. Right now we're in Manhattan Beach, but there's not really a good spot to post up at, and we already passed Dockweiler and all that. So we're just gonna keep heading down PCH and see where we can post up at. And don't worry, I still have some stickers left for my Long Beach fam, so don't even trip.
Pismo Beach?
Nah,
The sand dunes?
nah.
Where do you go off-roading?
I rented this for a photo shoot. We're going to do a photo shoot right now.
Where'd you get it from?
Turo.
Oh, damn.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Sick, man.
So, man.
Peace out.
And dog, you a fool, man.
This is for your son?
Yeah.
Nice.
Give her a sticker.
Here,
Here's a sticker.
you can give it to your son too.
Okay, cool. Oh, that's so cool, you guys. Do you ever go to the Cars and Coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Pretty much.
All right.
Thank you.
Yo, what's up guys? So we just finished coming back from all the other beaches on PCH. So we hit Palos Verdes, Manhattan Beach, El Segundo, all those things in between, and honestly it was kind of whack. So we decided to cut it short and just come to Long Beach. Shout out to Venice, man. You know, that spot showed a lot of love, and you know, without that spot I pretty much wouldn't have anything. It was a perfect setup with the perfect people. So thank you to everybody who participated in it. So yeah, we're back in Long Beach right now. We're just gonna get a couple of last shots and wrap it up for the day. Thank you for tapping in, you know. Really appreciate you guys' support. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, follow Cole on Instagram. Check the bio for all that. And thank you.